Welcome back to Paul and Benny. I'm Benny, and today I'm making a TikTok recipe. So I just got a TikTok account, and the first thing I did, of course, was check out the food recipes. And this one from Freddsters was trending, so I thought, let's give it a try. And if you're a fan of TikTok recipes, make sure you hit the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can see when we try new TikTok trending recipes. Okay, I know I have the blender here somewhere. So I got my blender here. Now let's start adding the ingredients. And if you don't have a blender, you could use a food processor for sure. What you'll need is 2 blocks of cream cheese. These are softened. You'll need 2 avocados. I'm doing 2.5 just because I had half of one that was about ready to be not ripe. 14 ounces of pickled jalapeños. I de-stemmed these before I put them in the cup to make sure I don't have any stems in my mix. You'll need 3 limes juiced. 1 cup of sour cream or Mexican crema. I went all out. I went and got Mexican crema. And you're going to need a tablespoon of chicken bouillon or salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. That's all here. And last, a bunch of cilantro, literally. And now we blend. This is looking delicious. Let me just scrape down the sides. And one more mix. And look at how green this is. Wow. Definitely put more cilantro than I should have, but let's taste it. Ooh, okay, that's a little spicy. Oh man, in a good way though. Definitely gives me like barbecue vibes or like game day vibes. I don't watch the football game, but you know what? I go to eat. Has a good flavor. Definitely a change it from the typical like ranch dip or bean dip. This is good. It's super creamy. I mean, you have the avocado, which is creamy. Cream cheese, which is creamy. The sour cream or crema, which is creamy. This is so creamy, so delicious. Great as a dip. And Paul has a recipe very similar to this. I'm actually gonna put it at the end cards or somewhere up here. You should try this one and try that one and let us know which one is better. But you know what? Let's put this in another dish. Okay, so I have my leftover chicken here. I'm just going to add a couple spoonfuls, a little bit more, of the dip, the avocado jalapeno dip in here. Mix it around. So that's about a cup of chicken mixed with about 3 tablespoons of the dip. And then get a tortilla. Get a couple big scoops in here and then roll it up. Repeat this until you're out of tortillas, and then we'll fry them. Okay, so with that amount, I got 3 taquitos here. Now let's fry them. So the oil is nice and hot. I'm gonna do this with the wrap down so that way it closes it up. Fry a couple minutes on each side just to make sure it's nice and crispy. This looks so good. Let's flip this. Oh, look at that. You say 2 done, I say crispy. Listen to that. Ooh, nice and crispy. All right. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Open inside down to seal it. Okay, so I said I'm not a fryer at all. I don't fry things, so I'm trying this. This is new for me, and of course I set off the smoke alarms. That's okay, they came out so good. I did steal a taste just because I burned one and I thought, you know, I'm gonna eat the burned one, and it's so good. OMG. Look at that, and can you hear this? Ooh, it's crispy. Cheers. Thank you, Freddsters, for making such an amazing avocado jalapeno dip. And you know what? Put it in taquitos. It is so delicious, easy to do, dinner in the bag. As always, I'm Benny. We're grateful for our chicken avocado jalapeno dip taquitos, and I'm grateful for you watching.